Yo, what's up Hemifam family? In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to wrap your 2011 plus Dodge Charger door handles with the brand new Lux Auto Concepts pre-cut door handle wrap kit. Hey, what's up family? So let's go ahead and show you all what you're gonna get when you order the Lux Auto Concepts pre-cut wrap kit for 2011 plus Dodge Chargers, and we will then show you how to install the product once you guys get it in the mail. But first, if you are new to this channel, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. You definitely don't want to miss all the awesome content we have in store for you. Every subscriber helps feed a hungry husky and tortoise that we have here at home. Be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. That way you don't miss all the awesome daily content that we post for all you guys. So like I said, guys, let's go ahead and see what you guys are gonna get when you order the 2011 plus Dodge Charger door handle wrap kit from Lux Auto Concepts. This kit pretty much comes with everything that you need to get a flawless install at home, in your garage, wherever you may be. And I mean, you really can't lose when you order from Lux Auto Concepts, guys. They make sure you have everything you need to get that flawless install there at home. And you do get an extra piece for the most difficult install on the car, which is going to be the driver's side with the keyhole and the lock rubber button. So you do get an extra overlay for the door handle, and you also get a microfiber towel, squeegee, and the application spray. So this is what you're going to use to pre-clean the handle and then install it on the car, guys. So now that we know what you're going to get inside of the box, let's go ahead and show you guys how to install this on your Dodge Charger. Be sure to check the video description because we will have links in there, and the links that we talked about for today's video and all the products shown. So let's go install this on the car. The first step you are going to want to do is take a microfiber towel with some alcohol and clean this handle up real good, guys. And I mean inside of the crevices, behind it, inside of the keyhole here, because we do want the vinyl to make sure that it sticks in all the places, guys. We don't want it to be lifting or any oils, contaminants, wax maybe, to prevent the vinyl from doing its job and sticking to the door handle here. So, like I said, guys, we are going to clean this baby up and slap these door handles on here real nice like for you guys, and show all you awesome humans just how easy it is to do yourself at home. So the very first thing you are going to want to do is line up the keyhole, and that's going to be basically your alignment point on here. So let's see how it looks down here at the bottom. And like I said, I got a little bit to fold over here. Let's double check the keyhole here. It looks like I got the keyhole pretty good where I want it. So again, just going to give it pressure in the center, not a whole lot, just working out any air, anything that may be there. So right here, there's a little bit of a wrinkle starting to form. So I'm gonna peel that back very gently, and again, just applying minimal pressure at this point here, guys. Just want to make sure all the alignment is where it needs to be. Get the bottom ready to kind of roll over. Got enough on the sides, enough on the top to tuck when it comes time. So the keyhole looks pretty good. So I'm going to get that planted. So at this point, we can basically kind of work with the top a little bit. Get that part around the button. And here, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. You're definitely gonna want to start kind of in the center and work your way outwards a little bit. Very gently, guys. No need to rush this. So now that I got the center of the button pretty good, I'm now gonna start working with the edges and with my squeegee and just kind of squeegee them back. Just like that. I'm not gonna mess with these sides just yet. Perfect. This handle is looking really, really good, guys. So from here, I'm going to just kind of fold the bottom over, starting in the center, working your way outwards. Beautiful, beautiful. So we are almost done here, guys. The last steps are to do the edges and remove the keyhole here. Ever so carefully raising off and then you can tuck the vinyl around the keyhole. There was a little finger right here I didn't like, so I'm going to peel it back, squeegee it out, just like that, guys. And now this vinyl is ready to fold and tuck over. can take your squeegee, make sure everything is tucked back behind where it needs to be. There's no fingers or lifting around any of the corners. And that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you wrap the front driver's side or passenger on a 2011 plus Dodge Charger with the pre-cut kits from Lux Auto Concepts. These are in the video description, so be sure you check that out and pick yourself up your own very easy to install door wrap handles. And that's pretty much it, guys. It is that easy to get your door handles wrapped in a variety of shades. This is the 3M Shadow Black, and one of the last and final steps is to hit it with the heat gun and seal all the edges, the bottoms, the tops around this button, and make sure that the vinyl is sealed, locked around the edges, and it is not going to come off and stay on for the long haul, guys. This handle is ready to go, guys. Fully sealed up. Heat has been applied. This vinyl is not going anywhere, guys. It is now on for the long haul of the car until I choose to remove it. And I mean, this looks damn good, guys. Lux again has done a really good job on the fitment. An easy DIY project anybody can do at home, in their garage, outside like we are today. Beautiful morning. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you install the door wrap on a 15 or a 2011 plus Charger with the button. Alright guys, let me know what you guys thought of today's video in the comments. Join the discussion, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think of the product, the install, if this is something you are going to be ordering for your Dodge Charger. Now, I do have a link to order in the video description. You can use promo code Hemifam. It will save you 5% off every order that you order from Lux Auto Concepts. So, like I said, link is in the video description, and this is just a really awesome product that Lux has designed for all of us Dodge Charger owners, you know, versus just laying a pre-cut, or not a pre-cut, but just a piece of vinyl on there and cutting it out yourself. There is no knife needed for this install. You line it up, apply it, and get your squeegee and a heat gun, and you are ready to rock and roll. Professional results at home every time with Lux Auto Concepts, guys. So like I said, be sure you check the video description for the link to order from Lux Auto Concepts, all of our social media handles. Be sure you follow us there, and I also have a really cool affiliate section, lots of awesome products for you to purchase, and promo codes for you to save some money on those purchases. So be sure you are subscribed to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram so you do not miss all the awesome stuff we post for you guys on a daily basis. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.